Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Rescue. Today in this video we will talk about how can Monday.com be used as a CRM. So Monday Sales CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management system designed for sales staff of any size running on the Monday Work OS platform. It helps business owners, sales leaders, sales staff, and account manager increase their sales revenue while simplifying administrative tasks and improving them productivity. Table of contents. What can Monday Sales CRM do? Monday Sales CRM pricing. How who uses Monday Sales CRM? Monday Sales CRM supported language. How do customer use Monday Sales CRM? Why choose Monday Sales CRM? Ready to try Monday Sales CRM. So what can Monday Sales CRM do? So Monday Sales CRM is an easy to use tool that can streamline existing sales process. Sales teams can track client communication throughout the entire sales cycle while connecting marketing activities and after sale projects using the same tool. It has versatile lead captures features that uh, cap- ca- uh, features that information through integration with existing tool by adding forms on a website or a manual entry. So identifying growth opportunity. Monday Sales CRM provides sales staff in a tool they can quickly adopt. So Monday sales pricing is available in different plans for teams and companies with different CRM requirements. The basic CRM plan is $10 per seat per month bill, actually 12.50 per seat bill monthly. Standard CRM $14 per seat monthly, and Pro CRM $24 per seat monthly, billed annually. Who chooses Monday Sales CRM? Monday Sales CRM is for businesses of all size in need of a customized sales CRM software. It automation and integration capabilities make it a preferred product by team who would rather spend on leads and prospect than on administrative and tactical tasks. So Monday Sales CRM spotted language. Monday Sales CRM through the Monday.com platform sport English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, Polish, Dutch, and Italian, uh, Korean, Swedish, traditional Chinese, and Turkish.